come with me to make some pasta and mushroom medley food. Here I am, opening a bag of cheese, as you can see. And I have some sweet things here. There it is, sweet peppers. Ah, yes, there's the mushroom medley. See? Yes. And here we are opening it up, ever so gently. Ah, yes, mushrooms. We got some olive oil, so we're going to throw in that pan. Now we got some noodles, some pasta. I'm slicing up a tomato. Ever so slicey. And it's the peppers. We're going to do peppers. And here we are throwing some butter in the pan. We got some garlic. Ah, yes, garlic. Ah, yes, taco seasoning. Because who doesn't like taco seasoning up in that? Yeah, do a little dance. It's good for the steam. I got some paprika because the taco seasoning wasn't enough. And then we're just gonna wooden spoon that all around and smile. See? Ah, yes. It's time to just look off in the camera. Yes. Spaghetti. We got some spaghetti linguine. Yes. Ah, yes. Look at that. I can't wait to try this yumminess. Yes. And we're just kind of doing a throwback, because why not? Shake it. Yes, pour the water out and spaghetti and strain it. Yes, look at that. It's amazing. And here I am, trying it. And it's really too hot for me. Yes, going back. Yes, just kind of replaying stuff in incorrect orders. In case you didn't know, pepper, we added pepper and salt. And so, here's the video to Quentin Tarantino style. Enjoy.